As a port state control officer, your job is to ensure vessels carrying solid bulk cargoes like coal, grain, and ores meet strict fire safety standards. These cargoes pose unique fire risks, threatening not just the ship, but also the crew and environment. SOLAS requires ships built after July 1, 1998, to have fixed gas fire extinguishing systems in cargo spaces, usually using CO2 to smother fires. However, not all cargoes need this system. Some are low risk and may be exempt. The IMO provides guidelines for these exemptions, balancing safety with practicality. As an inspector, you must know when a fixed gas system is required and when an exemption is justified. Your expertise ensures that any deviation from SOLAS is properly documented and safe. Understanding these rules is essential for every inspection. You'll often assess bulk carriers, so knowing the conditions for exemptions is crucial. This knowledge lets you make decisions that directly impact maritime safety. Exemptions are governed by MSC Circular 1395 Revision 6, your go-to reference for bulk cargo fire system requirements. This circular lists cargoes that don't need fixed gas fire extinguishing systems, clarifying a key part of SOLAS. It ensures all inspectors apply the same standards worldwide, removing ambiguity. The circular is tied to SOLAS Regulation 2210-7.1.4 and is updated as new cargoes or risks emerge. Always use the latest revision. Outdated information can lead to unsafe or unfair inspections. When a vessel claims an exemption, check the circular for the cargo's name and the conditions for exemption. This document harmonizes safety rules and prevents inconsistent enforcement. For new inspectors, mastering this circular is essential for effective, fair inspections. It's your authoritative guide to bulk cargo fire safety. Exemptions in MSC Circular 1395, Rev.6 are based on the cargo's fire risk. The first group, non-combustible cargoes like salt, sand, and ores, these simply won't burn, so a gas system isn't needed. The second group, cargoes where gas systems are ineffective or hazardous like coal, which can emit methane. Using CO2 on coal may not stop a fire and could trigger an explosion. For these, alternative safety measures, like ventilation and gas monitoring, are required. Exemptions aren't blanket permissions, they're tailored to the actual risk. As an inspector, you must know not just if a cargo is exempt, but why. For non-combustibles, verify the cargo type. For risky cargoes like coal, check that alternative systems are in place and the crew is trained. Understanding these distinctions is key to effective inspections. When a vessel claims an exemption, follow a systematic process. First, review documentation. Ensure the cargo matches the circular's list exactly. Check that the exemption is officially recognized by the vessel's flag administration, usually on the SOLAS certificate or record of equipment. The exemption is only valid for the listed cargoes and for that specific voyage. All holds must carry only exempt cargoes. If not, the gas system must be operational for non-exempt holds. Physically verify cargoes if needed. For cargoes like coal, inspect alternative safety measures, gas detection, ventilation, and firefighting plans. This thorough approach ensures compliance with MSC Circular 1395 Rev.6. Your diligence upholds maritime safety standards every day.